Honorable members, the 247th session of the Rajya Sabha, which commenced on the 11th of December 2018, comes to a close today. In all, the House had 18 sittings, during which it was able to deliberate for only 27 plus hours. More than 78 hours were lost, which is a sad reflection on the functioning of Upper House of Parliament. The session was characterized by regular and continuous disruptions, which deprived members of the opportunity to discuss matters of urgent public importance and seek the accountability of the executive through questions. Out of the 285 start questions admitted, only 31 could be answered orally, and question hour could not be taken up on 13 days. Only 38 matters could be raised by members and the permission of the chair, while only nine special mentions could be made during the entire session. Members were deprived of the opportunity to listen to the statement of Minister of Home Affairs and seek clarification on the calling attention matter regarding situation arising due to devastation caused by the cyclones Gaza and Titli in some states and the action taken by the government in regard thereto due to continuous disruption of the House. Government bills were passed, 5 government bills were introduced, 4 government bills were passed, 5 government bills were introduced and 4 were withdrawn. The House deliberated on the landmark bill, the Constitution 124th Amendment Bill 2019, as passed by Lok Sabha for more than 10 hours, in which 39 members participated. The statutory resolution on the proclamation issued by the President under Article 356 of the Constitution of India in relation to the state of Jammu and Kashmir was also discussed for more than 2.5 hours, in which 15 members participated and was adopted by the House. No private member's bill could be introduced or discussed during the entire session. However, the House was able to discuss 2 private members' resolutions. The House made reference to the passing away of Sri Atal Bihari Vajpayee, former Prime Minister, Sri Somnath Chatterjee, former Speaker of Lok Sabha, Sri Anant Kumar, Minister of Chemicals and Fertilizers, and Minister of Parliamentary Affairs, along with 17 other former members. The House also made reference to the passing away of Mr. George H.W. Bush, former President of USA. I take this opportunity to thank the leader of the opposition, the leaders of various parties and groups, and the honorable members for the cooperation extended by them in the overall functioning of the House. I also thank the officers and the staff of the Secretariat for their help and cooperation. The national song, Vande Mataram. The House stands adjourned sine die.